Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and today we're taking a look at the Pamu Quiet. Now these are some active noise cancelling earbuds, and they're only going to cost you around $89, so you're going to be saving around $100 or so more compared to if you were to buy a brand name like Apple or Samsung, but are they any good? Let's take a look. But what about the unboxing? Well, as you can see here, the presentation is very nice. You've got the headphones front and center, and also a quick start guide on the inside of the packaging there. We're just going to place the headphones off to the side for just a moment. Below there you do have the paperwork, but again guys, these are going to be active noise cancelling headphones. There's not really too much to read here, they work out of the box. Next up then you're going to have two other packages just below there. They're a little bit hard to get out, but once you have got them out, you'll see here that you've got some accessories and some goodies that you wouldn't normally get, again with some of those premium headphones. So first up you have different ear tips. You can have small, medium and large. The medium ones are pre-installed, but here are the large and small. Next up in this other small pouch, you are actually going to get a small carry-on bag, and this is a really nice leather drawstring bag. So again, if you do want to carry around the headphones and keep them a little bit protected, then again you've got the option to do so. Unfortunately, it's not a hard shell case. Next up then you are also going to have a lanyard as well, because there is a loop at the top of the actual case itself, so if you want to attach this you've got the option to do so. And then finally you are going to have the USB Type-C cable to full-size USB, however they do also support wireless charging. So you've got all of the cables you need, a case, a lanyard, and the headphones. The value of these headphones are really starting to add up for only $89. In regards to the battery life, you're looking at around 4 hours with active noise cancelling turned on, and again an additional 3 charges with the battery case that it comes with, giving you around 16 hours of battery in total. Now the case itself is really awesome. You've got a button at the top there, and then the door just flings open to give you access to the actual earbuds themselves. And they've actually got some pretty good tech in them. They've got a Qualcomm chip, the noise cancelling is done by AMS, and the microphone is done by Knowles. So they're actually touting these as the best active noise cancelling headphones that you can actually buy. Now the earbuds themselves are very much like a matte black version of the Apple AirPods, which some people may or may not like. However, these do fit a little bit better in the ear, and because they're not really super glossy, they do have a bit of a matte finish to them. They actually fit inside my ear a lot better than AirPods do. But then again, based on the Indiegogo campaign, they really should do. They've had over 200,000 backers and $11 million raised, making it the most funded audio gear campaign ever on Indiegogo, which is quite a feat. Some other features of the earbuds would be the 10mm titanium drivers, and you've also got IPX4 water resistance, so again if you're going to be out in the rain for example, it shouldn't be too much trouble, or if you're going to the gym they're going to hold up very well. As you can see from the inside of the case here, it has all the information for a 300 mAh battery, so again the battery life isn't necessarily the best compared to some other headphones, but it's definitely going to get you through a day or even a couple of days, and it's easily going to get you through a workout. Over on Indiegogo you can also get some access to some really awesome accessories as well. So you do have a hard shell carrying pouch, as you can see just here. So this is a really nice carrying pouch. It's got a carabiner on it and it zips up really nicely. It keeps your headphones in there. Plus you've also got a slot for the alternative earbuds, for example, in terms of the ear tips, any charging cables that you might need as well. Now this case is also extremely strong. It's a hard shell case. So again, if you're going to be throwing it into a bag or if you accidentally drop it, they're pretty much going to be fine. It's a very hard shell case, moving it around, bashing it around, I had no issues at all. You can also get a very fancy leather lanyard as well, and this one actually screws into the top of the actual case itself. So that's something to keep in mind. This one again is more of sort of like a connector to your bag or wear around your neck for example, which again just plays into the pocket watch aesthetic of the actual charging case itself. But again, none of that means anything if they don't actually sound good, and thankfully they sound pretty good again for the price. Now keep in mind that you're going to have the active noise cancelling, and it does a really good job at backing out some of those background hums, noise and things like that. Obviously not being able to travel at the moment, I was only really able to test them in my car. Yes, I was a passenger, so not to worry. And they actually did a pretty good job at blocking out some of the outside sound. Now, the active noise cancelling isn't necessarily the best. For example, when I was watching TV, I could actually hear a slight hiss in the actual earbuds themselves Not sure whether that was the active noise cancelling or just an issue with the earbud, but it was definitely there. The overall sound quality, however, is extremely good. You've got some really rich bass, the highs are good, the lows are good. I listened to a ton of different music genres from hardcore metal, rap, R&B, acoustic, plus I also tried it with some video. The lag was extremely minimal, if any, and I also had a look at it with some podcasts as well. So for voice only, it also sounds very good. The voices sound very rich. Now, overall, the sound quality, I personally don't think is as good as what you're going to pay with something like the Apple AirPods or Samsung Galaxy Buds. However, you've got to keep into account the price. For only £89 or $89, they are extremely good value. And that's actually going to do it, guys, for this quick video. Now, as you can see on the channel, I've uploaded 2 videos today because I've got a ton of content that I need to get out. So if you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. If you've got any questions or comments, let me know in the comments section or on Twitter at CopperVersusGlass. If you want to pick up a pair of these headphones for yourself, they will be linked in that description down below. And if you haven't already, turn on notifications so you're notified anytime that I post a new video here on the channel. I'm Michael from CopperVersusGlass. Thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.